Hello students, today we will discuss about reduction of ore by smelting. So before knowing the definition of smelting, first we should have to know the definition of chemical reduction of ore. So the definition of chemical reduction of ore is heating the metal oxide ore with suitable reducing agents brings out certain changes in the chemical nature of metal oxide and transform the ore into pure metal. Such a process to obtain metal from metal oxide is called as chemical reduction of ore. So students, simple definition of chemical reduction of ore. It is a process in which metal oxide ore is converted into metal by using reducing agents. The reducing agents used in chemical reduction of metal oxide ore are aluminium, sodium, magnesium, hydrogen. It may be carbon monoxide. These are the different reducing agents which are used in this reduction of ore. Now we will go in detail about reduction of ore by smelting. Smelting is the process in which the roasted or calcined ore along with a reducing agent, generally anthracite coal, and a flux, generally lime, is heated to a high temperature. The reducing agent converts the ore into molten metal which is tapped out, while the flux removes last traces of gangue or matrix in the form of fusible mass called as slag, which floats on the molten metal, and that slag is removed separately. So dear students, what is smelting? Smelting is the process, and in this process here calcined or roasted ore along with reducing agent like anthracite coal and the flux like lime is heated at high temperature. Clear? It means in this process here the ore is heated above the melting point of metal. Now once you know the definition of smelting, then you should have to know the role of reducing agent, the role of flux. So in this process, reducing agent is mainly used to convert metal oxide ore into molten metal, and the lime is used to remove the gangue or matrix in the form of slag, right? So here two layers will be formed. The upper layer, it will be of slag, and the lower layer, it will be of molten metals, and these two layers can be removed separately. Now the example of this smelting, that is the smelting of iron. In smelting of iron, the reaction that takes place, this is the hematite ore. This hematite ore is heated above its melting point in presence of reducing agent, that is coal. When this hematite ore is heated at high temperature, then it is converted into molten iron and carbon monoxide is released. Now in this smelting process of iron, lime is used as flux. So we know there are two types of flux, acidic flux and basic flux. So here lime is a basic flux and the gangue or matrix, that is silica, it is in acidic in nature. So this lime combines with silica and it forms easily fusible mass, that is calcium silicate, which acts as slag. So dear students, in the smelting of iron, here this calcium silicate, which is slag, it forms a upper layer and the molten iron, which forms a lower layer, right? And these two layers can be removed separately. So this is simple explanation about smelting. Thanks.